Hi, I'm Kalina Springer. I'm a full-time MBA student at the UC Davis Graduate School of Management, and I'm here to offer you some unique tips and tricks about how to be successful on Zoom. Many students attended a virtual town hall hosted by our Career Center, in which a couple of alumni were able to talk about tips and tricks as we go into internship search or career search during this time. I asked a question about how can I connect, how can I network? Tracy Regis from Intel was able to give me a really good tip about just making virtual Zooms or virtual happy hours with my colleagues in order to connect and network internally. The main thing is to be intentional about the time that you are on Zoom with other people, to be making eye contact, but to really be engaged as if you were in the room with that person. If you wouldn't do that, if they were sitting right in front of you, don't do it when you're on a Zoom call with them. Definitely get yourself another screen, because it can be difficult to have a document up and also be able to look at people's faces. And I think it is really important having someone who can help you collect the questions. These are the questions that have come through. These are the people whose hands are raised. And really, I think we have to all help each other to be more successful during this time, because we can't all do it on our own. In one of my classes, the professor that I was assisting was showing a video of Steve Jobs introducing the iPhone. And it's a pretty impactful video, and there's some humor in it. And it really loses that edge when you're seeing the pictures and listening to the audio in the wrong order. My tip for if you're wanting to share a video, send them a link in advance, or send them the link in the chat function during the call and have them watch it with their videos muted and having everybody watch it at the same time from their own computer in their own browser. I hope that you found these tips useful and that you can apply them in your next Zoom meeting, and maybe you can try being a facilitator and hosting some Zoom meetings of your own in creative ways if you haven't already.